Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the hidden toggles in Dress to Impress. So did you know that Dress to Impress has secrets toggles that can level up your gameplay? And in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can maybe unlock this hidden toggles that you didn't know before, and you can customize your experience in DTI. So the first one is you can just put this off-shoulder shirt on and click on toggles, and in here there are three options of toggles that you can choose: relax, oversize, and the classic one. So this is the one that I like the best. And the second item is you can use this baseball bat. Just wear it, and now click on these toggles, and there are two options: batting positions and also the default position, and you can also choose to paint it or not. Okay, now the next item is this shoe, the sneakers right here. Okay, I'm going to wear it first to see the secret or the hidden toggles that you might not know about. So this is the basic, like the basic style, and this is star. So you can just choose between those two toggles or these two styles to wear. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the thank.